Hello, Impact users, and welcome to the tip of the week number 129. I have the honor to make the last tip of the week for this year, and today we're going to talk about T-connection for double walls. What I'm going to show you today is how to connect two double walls the way we see on the screen, how to add a gap between the walls, adjust the reinforcement, the lattice girders, and add additional reinforcement to this T connection. So let's go into Revit and see how it looks. If we go to our Revit model, here we have the plan view, and just beside it's the 3D where we can automatically see the changes that we apply to our walls. So first of all, how do we find the T connection command? It's in the falling menu for double wall, and it's just down in the bottom. You can see there is a functionality called connect wall. If I press on it, I can either press on both of the walls, or I can just cross select, press on finish, and here comes the window. So there is several types of connections. You can do slits, adding a recess on the horizontal wall that we see in here. We can do an open hole all the way through the wall, opening on the right side, on the left. And as you can see, the dynamic picture in the command will help you see the connection that you're just about to apply. I'm going to use the right side so we can see it here on the 3D view once we're ready. And the D is the length of the recess that we want to apply in the panel. So I'm just going to choose a value for it, and the gap is also possible to insert automatically. I'm going to do a distance for this hole from top and bottom of 200, and I want to include a reinforcement. And again, take a look at the dynamic picture, which will help you design the reinforcement in your T connection. You can choose quality and dimension. You can choose the spacing between the rebars that you insert, the anchorage length, which I probably want to increase in here, and the width of the rebar. Looks okay for me, and I'm just going to say okay, and you can see now Impact is working in the background. What Impact is doing now is automatically inserting the gap between the walls, inserting the reinforcement, adjusting the lattice girders, and also the lift of the element. Now, we've changed the geometry of those two double walls, so if I cross-select them, I want to probably resave them, think save double wall. And a little tip here from me, if you want even better geometry preview of your elements, probably you want to select the saving with the object file, because I want to jump now in Project Manager and see what we've done. Okay, so let's go to Project Manager, and here if I reload the model, so here are our double walls, both in Revit and Impact. We inserted a T connection. If for some reason you want to remove it, here it's probably worth saying that you can also use the remove connection command. Select the two walls and everything will go back to initial state. I think what's left for me now is to say Happy New Year. I'm probably already preparing for it, and see you in 2024, where we continue strong with tip of the weeks from Impact Team. Bye.